It's Purdy Brock Jenkins. 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 It's Purdy Brock Jenkins.
Jimmy, I think this seatbelt is just for show. Like putting sprinkles on broccolis. It's tradition, Purdy. Like wearing socks with sandals. Nobody knows why anymore, but we're too scared to stop. So if the plane's crashing, this thing's supposed to be like our magic armor against gravities. It's to keep us from hitting our heads on the ceiling, Purdy. Can't have us hitting our heads when the plane's crashing. So if we don't buckle it, is Big Brother watching us through little lenses? Maybe. Or maybe it's the flight attendants, ready to pounce with a rehearsed frown. I think it's some type of conspiracy, Jimmy. Like Bob believes in. He believes in all those crappy conspiracy theorists. What if every click sends a message to the pilots? Saying what? Eyes need more pretzels? No, something more subtle like, warning, these passengers about to ask for unicorn glitter and Cheetos. Be readies. Huh. Next thing you know, a double click orders a creepy doll and a crash course in ventriloquism. It's sort of like what we do to you, Bob. I put my hand up your thing hole and you talk. Makes you wonder what other hidden talents these belts have. Teleportation device, Purdy. Click twice and you're in Fiji. I knew it. There's magic in these belts, Jimmy. I'm clicking twice. Two. Is that two? Is that duo? Double? I'm clicking twice next time. That's all I know. Shut up, Bob. Just don't blame me, Purdy, if you end up in the cargo hold instead of Fiji. Wherever that place is. Huh?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow me and subscribe. I'm Purdy Brock Jenkins. Who am I again? Purdy Brock Jenkins. And don't you forget it!